I present to you crispy air fried okra. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make this, and it comes out perfect.
Hey, welcome to the channel, and this week we're doing okra. You know, that vegetable that a lot of northerners just don't quite get, and I really don't get it, why they don't get it. Maybe because it's a little snotty inside, like, you know, runny, gooey. I kind of like that, but if you cook it right, you don't get that. Sure, when you're prepping it, it gets a little gooey, but other than that, it's a really good vegetable. And right now, it's going crazy on all the stocks around here. My local vegetable stand, he's just popping them out by, I don't know, multiple dozens a day. So I'm in okra heaven right now. So today what I'm going to do is fried okra in an air fryer, of course, because I haven't done it in an air fryer. I've done it regularly fried before. So of course I need to test to see if I can do fried okra in an air fryer. And I think it's going to come out. I'm pretty confident. And so that's what we're going to do. What's going to go into my okra? Well, so I'm going to use my typical breading, my dredging station that I use for my onion rings. I'm going to go in with a, actually I'm adding flour to the first part of the dredging. So I'm going to do some seasoned flour. I'm going to go ahead and do my batter, my beer batter. And then I'm going to coat it with my favorite corn flake crumbs. It makes the best, crispiest breading that you can use, you know, in an air fryer at least. I've never tried it in the regular fryer. So that's my breading out of the way. I'm also going to make a little dipping sauce. And I don't make a lot of dipping sauces, but this week I am, and I think that it will pair well with the fried okra. So I'm going to get this okra cleaned up here. I'm just going to basically take the little end off here, and then I'm going to cut mine in half lengthwise. You'll notice that a lot of times people kind of cut these in little circles. I don't like that. I like them fried long ways, and that one I just messed up, but that's okay. And boy, these are so fresh. The knife is going through these like butter. Sometimes if you pick them too late, they get woody, and that's not the case here. And oh boy, I hope he has these going on for another couple of weeks, because I just love okra. Did I say that already? I love okra. One more to go here. And there we go. Okay, for the dredging, I've got some plain flour here, all purpose. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of salt, pepper, garlic seasoning into that. I'm also going to add about a quarter teaspoon of my Chipolte chili powder. You don't want to go too strong with that because it does have a little heat. So if you're not looking for a lot of heat, kind of pull back a little bit. But you know, the smokiness, oh gosh, I smell it right now. We're just going to give this a little mix. That's good. Now, from my beer batter, I'm going to go in with one egg, if I can get it cracked. There we go. And I'm going to take some beer, about a half a cup, cold beer, and I'm just going to go ahead and whisk that egg in with the beer. I'm also going to add a little bit of hot sauce, just a little bit, a little flavor, a little heat. There we go. That's about a teaspoon. Get that all mixed up. Then I'm going to start slowly adding my flour. You've seen me do this before. Just going to kind of fold it in until we get the thickness of a nice thick pancake batter. Smelling good already. Got the beer batter going here. Smelling kind of beer-like. go. Maybe another tablespoon and we should be good to go. There we go. Batter is ready. Get this out of the way. Get my crumbs over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the same seasoning to my crumb mixture. About a tablespoon and about a teaspoon of the Chipotle chili powder. Give this a good mix. There we go. So I'll get cleaned up a little bit and then we'll start breading our okra. Okay, first off, take the okra, dredge it in the flour, shake off the excess. Laura, you proud of me? I said excess this time. Go into the batter, then use my other hand here for the dry. This is driving me absolutely crazy. You all know I don't like stuff on my hands, and I'm not liking that so much. Alright, dry. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get through these, get them all breaded up, and then we'll get on to the air fryer. So we'll be back in about 2 seconds YouTube time. Hey, we're back and it's time to go ahead and heat up the air fryer. So, air fry, 10 minutes, 385 degrees. Start, we'll let that heat up. Get the okra that I've got all breaded up set to the side here. Okay, let's make the dipping sauce. First off, mayo, probably about 1/3 of a cup, because I'm not making a lot right now. My mambo sauce. I got some sweet hot going here. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of mambo in there. And then a little bit, like maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of my Chipotle chili. There we go. That's it. We'll give this a nice mix. I really think this is gonna work. Pretty confident it's going to work. Wow. Yeah, that's going to work. It's going to be fantastic. Get that in my little bowl. Got a nice little zing to it. Oh my gosh. There we go. Set that to the side. Get this in the sink and get it clean. Probably got a couple of minutes to go here on the warm-up. We'll get the okra in the air fryer. The air fryer has summoned me. It's time to go ahead and put our okra in the air fryer. So let's go ahead and open the basket. We'll give it a bit of a spray. We'll get our okras in here, making sure that we put some distance on them so they're not touching each other. I should have plenty of room in here. Oh yeah, we should have plenty of room. Get them all in here. They can hang. Ooh, that one had a little bit too much breading on it. Shake off any excess. And room for right there. Oh, I got 2 more. Got to make some more room. I've got plenty. 1. And I think I can get this one right in there. Alright, now we'll go ahead and give the okra a spray. And I'm using avocado oil. There we go. In the air fryer we go. And probably about the 5-minute mark it'll ask me to turn it over, which I think I'll probably do. So we'll be back in a few. Okay, it's time to flip. Let me go in here, and they're looking really good so far. I think I'm just going to use my fingers. Ooh, nice and crispy already. Nice. I am liking. These are going to be so good. I can guarantee they're going to be good. They're good right now. They just need another couple minutes to finish browning. Ooh, be careful. Don't burn yourself like I just did. Okay, another light coating of oil. And back in for the final 5 minutes. So we'll be back in 5 minutes. A lot less time in YouTube land. So we'll see you in a couple. Okay, they're done. Let's check them out in OMG. All caps. These look fantastic. And they sound super crunchy. And this is exactly what I was envisioning doing okra, fried okra, in an air fryer. This is probably, to me, better than the onion rings. This is the first time I cooked okra in the Navy was fried okra. We had the pre-cut little dinky things, and they were a pain in the butt to bread up. That's why I like doing the bigger pieces here. So there you have it. They look fantastic. Wow. Pen in on that there. Now listen to this crunch. I mean, listen to the crispiness. That is crispy. Okay, so before I go ahead and taste these, let me do my shout out. This episode shout out is to all you Navy cooks, present and former, that thought you didn't like okra, but once you made it, especially the fried okra, you fell in love with it. So this is to all you, including myself. So let's try this out. I'm going to take this little one here, get it in the sauce. Actually, I should have tried it without the sauce. Darn. You gotta make this. I'm telling you right now, you gotta make this. This is fantastic. Nice and crunchy. Done perfectly inside. The sauce is awesome. Let me try this piece without sauce. If you're afraid of okra, you just don't quite, it looks weird, or it looks weird to you or something, try this out. I guarantee you're gonna like it. You saw just how easy it is, and it comes out perfectly in the air fryer. So hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, share. And right down here, go ahead and click on this video down here. It's my pulled pork, actually my Italian pork sandwich, Philly style. You gotta check that out. And so until next time, thanks, and we'll see you.